Here are health tips with Dr. Frempomaa. It is my aim and passion with these health tips to help you prevent chronic disease, reverse chronic disease, increase energy levels, help you feel good, and achieve longevity and good health using lifestyle medicine. Today, I want to mention 5 benefits of detox. What is detox? When we say detox, we tend to mean taking your body through a period where it is able to get rid of excess toxins floating around in your blood and organs, especially the liver. Ordinarily, your liver should help your body to get rid of toxins or bad chemicals that we introduce into our bodies from what we eat. However, it makes a lot of sense that after years of eating unhealthy foods, that there would be some amount of toxins that your body would love to get rid of, but has not been able to do so because it's not been given the chance to. So by using a regimen of healthy spices and vegetables, we have designed a 1-week package where we allow your body to be able to get rid of these toxins with amazing results. I'm particularly interested in this because I have a deep concern for my clients who are not able to achieve their healthy lifestyle goals and plunge deeper into chronic disease such as high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and obesity. Through Erama Medical Center, we strive to help our clients and the community by offering health talks, dietitian consults, medical screening, exercise and dance for fitness, massage, physiotherapy, and so much more. With this detox plan, I'm committing with you to jumpstart your healthy lifestyle. This is what detox can do for you. 1. It reduces inflammation. Inflammation occurs when your body is exposed to injury or foreign substances. Number 2, detox will help to purify your blood. Number 3, it will help you to lose weight. Number 4, it will help you to sleep better. And number 5, it will boost your circulation. Stay tuned for more on detox. If you've just started your detox plan, congratulations. Like I said, we're committed with you. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us on our official WhatsApp line 0540 315 915.